Welcome to this video number 5. Today we are going to draw one of the complicated diagrams of your biology textbook, that is human excretory system. It looks complicated, but if you start drawing it, if you follow my instruction, you will see that anybody, whether you are good at drawing or very poor at drawing, you all can draw this diagram. So let's go. We will start with the left kidney first. This is how we draw a kidney. First draw a English letter C, then this joint, correct? This was right kidney and left kidney will be slightly at a higher position than the left one. So this kidney in same manner, almost a mirror image, we are going to draw over here. Alright, are you getting it? You can also show adrenal gland over this kidney. A cap-like structure, adrenal gland over the kidney. Now we will be showing two blood vessels. One which brings blood into the kidney. One will go this side and the other toward this side. Let us say this is bringing blood into the kidney. Arrows are very important in this diagram if you want to score full marks. Right? After drawing this structure which brings blood into the kidney, we'll draw the another one which takes blood away from the kidney. I'll draw it here. One on this side. And other on this side. We will show the arrows that blood is going out. Okay, arrows showing up blood coming into the kidney and arrow showing up blood going out of the kidney is very important. Now look here, this is urinary bladder. The other one on this side, we will try to keep same on both the sides. All right. And the muscle, sphincter muscle. So this is a diagram of human excretory system in front of you. Now it is time to label the diagram. This is my left side. So this kidney is the right kidney. Your left side will be right kidney and your right side will be left kidney. Where does this go? Inferior vena cava. And where does it comes from? aorta. Here it comes from aorta, here it goes to inferior vena cava. Aorta brings blood inside through renal artery, and blood goes outside of the kidney to the inferior vena cava through renal vein. Renal is a word, means it is associated with kidney. Renal vein. These two are ureters. This is urinary bladder. And this is urethra. Okay, these are sphincter muscles. Okay, so this is the human excretory system, so very easy. So what are the parts? We can start first with the right kidney, then second one is the left kidney. Oxygenated blood comes to the kidney by means of renal artery, and deoxygenated blood goes outside the kidney through the renal vein. Then fifth part is ureters. These ureters carry the urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. And when sphincter muscle is relaxed, urine is thrown out through urethra. So these are 8 important parts of the human excretory system. A diagram may be given to you and you will be asked to identify the parts numbered over here, or you may be asked to draw this diagram. In both the cases we are exam ready, aren't we? Have a look at this diagram and we are meeting again in our part 6, where we are going to draw the transverse section of artery and vein.